Hi girls, what's up and welcome to my channel. I'm showing you how I got this gorgeous hairstyle. I'm doing it myself. So let's get into the video. Okay y'all, so we are about to put this half wig on. And yeah, I just, it looks like it's a look, it's like, look at that. It's really short. I didn't realize how short it was, but I'm gonna see if I like it like this. So this is what the inside looks like. And then this is like the top part. So I guess I put the comb at the top. And then it has like a band and a tie right there. Alright guys, so I'm applying the half wig on, and luckily it has clamps on the top, and then it has like a band on the back and also like a drawstring type of thing to really secure it. So when I tell you, it will not move. So just make sure that you're securing your hair. And then I'm going in with a little bit of water to just loosen up the curls and really to see if I like it, because this is my first time using this unit. But I quickly am like, okay, this looks super good. And my leave out is like pretty much black. Like a little bit of my hair, I had dyed it before, so there's a little bit of color, but it still looks pretty good with it. So I made sure to use heat protectant and also the spray to get my hair as straight as possible. My natural hair is curly, but it doesn't match this exact curl pattern, so I was going in and blow drying that out, and it looks really good. Wild. But I'm about to straighten all this, and then we're gonna curl. Now we're back to it, and I'm going to press out the rest of the hair, because just to get it as like seamless as possible, and going in and straightening that out. And this is just a step that I had before when I had gotten the same hairstyle last year. I remember the girl doing this, so I'm just pretty much repeating what I remember. But I'm pretty sure like if you're doing this yourself, you may not even necessarily have to curl it. I mean, have to straighten it. I'm just being like a perfectionist and making sure that it looks super good just for my first install. And I'm gonna do this along the entire perimeter of my hair, and then I'm gonna go in and wand curl this after, so you'll see that in a second. So just make sure to go from roots to end. And yeah, honestly, it may work better with a smaller flat iron, but this is the only size that I currently have. Okay y'all, I straightened all of my hair, and now we're going to wand curl it to somehow go with the rest of the hair. So let's do it. Oh, also under the wig, I braided my hair up. I washed it, freshly washed it, oiled my scalp with this. I think this is actually a blend of the Way hair oil, and then I also had put, I forget what I put in there, something for hair, either black castor oil or something. I mixed it, and yeah, now we're about to curl it up. Okay, I just finished curling my hair, and I do need to diffuse this hair. Okay, I found my diffuser, so let's diffuse. Put a little bit of this oil on it. We about to go in with this, my favorite edge control, this pink brush. I'm gonna be adding in these rods too to see like what it looks like tomorrow. But I just did like my edges. You can toss it to the side and toss to the other side, and you don't see the you don't even see like where the wig is. And then kind of like half up, half down. I could get it together if I really wanted to, but it's so flat. And it looks, I swear to God, it looks like I just got a sew-in. It looks super good. I'm gonna show you from the back just to see. Like, so you can see the side. So I'm gonna take my hair and part it in 3 sections. I wish I had more, because I feel like the more you have, the more defined your hair will be. So we're gonna put that there. And I'm parting it with the hair. And I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna put some oil on it. iPhone cam, and I'm gonna take it and I'm rolling my hair around this. So y'all see, I wrap that around, and I'm gonna make sure that's secure. So we're gonna do that with the middle as well and the side. I feel like it'd be better to, like, the more rods you have, to be more defined, but it's really a personal thing. So I'm gonna start at the base as much as possible for me, and then I'm gonna wrap this around. I really don't want a hump though, that's my only thing. Last time I did that, I had a hump and I didn't like how it looked. Should I go forward? I'm gonna do it forward and see how that turns out. And if I don't like it, then I know I can change it. So I'm wrapping this around like that. So we just did that. My natural hair plus the hair plus my extensions. I'm gonna clip this back, because there's been times I've done it messy and it looked good, but since it's my first time like doing my hair, I really want it to turn out good, like with these extensions. So we're gonna wrap this around. And then for the rest of his hair, I'm gonna put it up, and I'm gonna put it in like a bun. This is kind of wet. I don't like that scrunchie is wet. I'm gonna just put it in a bun like this. And then, oh, I should put my scarf on. Okay, we're gonna put this scarf on. I already got all our hair oils on it. Matter of fact, to keep my edges intact, this is what I'm finna do. Because I just put edge control on and I'm trying to keep my edges intact. So what we finna do is put this headscarf. Now I'm about to put this bonnet on. Hopefully that's good. Okay, now we are ready for bed. I want to show y'all what the hair looks like tomorrow, and y'all know hairstyle always look better when, like, you know, your face is done, you like it more the next day. So we're gonna see how this turns out, because this is my first time doing a half wig by myself, and I want to see if this is gonna be a good quick fix to the girls who need to have style but not trying to do their hair, or whatever the case is. Something, especially for the summertime, because it's hot outside. And yeah, so let's. All right guys, this is a finished hair look.
What do y'all think? I really feel like it came out pretty good for like my first time doing my hair ever. So this is how it looks the next morning. And I know y'all can tell that I literally just woke up. So yeah, I probably could do a little shaping to it. But I feel like overall, very happy with how it turned out. It literally looks like I got like a quick weave or something. This is the finished hair. I'm about to go start my day. So yeah, hopefully you guys will like it. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video.